here we have been asked that out of the four given organic compounds, which compound has the highest boiling point? The central concept of this question is very important. The concept says that the boiling point of an organic compound is influenced by four factors, which are as follows. The most important factor is going to be hydrogen bonding, and within hydrogen bonding also, compounds which have intermolecular hydrogen bonding have a higher boiling point compared to those compounds which have intramolecular hydrogen bonding. And then the polarity of the molecule is also important. Polar organic compounds have a higher boiling point if we compare them with organic compounds which have a non-polar nature. After that, we also have to consider that as the molecular weight of the organic compound increases, the boiling point also increases. And then what we must also consider is that higher the surface area of the molecule, higher is the boiling point, and higher is the amount of the branching in the molecule, lower is the surface area. So now we have to apply all these concepts to the given options. So what we must understand is that option A is going to be an ether. Now ether does not exhibit hydrogen bonding of any sort. If we have a look at option B, it is a ketone. Ketones exhibit a polar nature because there is a charge separation along the carbon-oxygen double bond. Oxygen has a partial negative charge and carbon atom has a partial positive charge. Thus we can say that there will be a charge separation along the carbon-oxygen double bond, and thus we observe that the ketone molecule will always have a polar nature. When we observe option C, we observe that this is an alcohol, and in alcohols hydrogen bonding will be observed. When we look at option D, it is a carboxylic acid. Here it is acetic acid. Now with carboxylic acids, what happens is that due to the presence of two oxygen atoms per acid group, the extent of hydrogen bonding observed is much heavier compared to the hydrogen bonding observed in alcohols. So when we apply these factors, what we understand is that hydrogen bonding is having the largest influence on the boiling point, and more importantly, all of the given compounds, they are not having a branching in the molecule, and more importantly, the hydrogen bonding concept, the hydrogen bonding occurrence is the most influential here, and thus the acetic acid, it is having the highest boiling point out of the given four organic compounds. So whenever we are asked to compare the boiling point of given organic compounds, there are these four factors which influence the boiling point. Hence we have to analyze each of the given options with respect to these four aspects of the compound: the surface area of the compound, the molecular weight of the compound, the polar nature of the compound, and the presence of hydrogen bonding in the compound.